Has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, east central Maury County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicating location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbia, Spring Hill, Chapel Hill, Eagleville, Rover, I-65 east of Columbia and Unionville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 43 and 52. Interstate 840 between mile markers 23 and 44. From now, move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.